Hello everyone, it's Elizabeth, the Minister of Beauty. So I read about this Korean custom facial and I wanted to try it out. It's called the Hanacure and there's been a lot of good reviews about it, but one of the things about this is that it is extremely tightening. So if you can manage to deal with that, the results afterwards are supposed to be extremely worth it. So I said, why not? So I ordered a couple of them for myself. It's called the Hanacure all-in-one facial. It originates from South Korea and it's got a gelling solution and a lifting serum that you apply to your face. So this is not a full facial. You have to cleanse your face with your own cleanser and, tone and all of those things before you do these steps. But I wanted to try it out, so I thought I would share it with you guys. This is what the package looks like, and it's a cute little box. And you can see it shows what's included in the package there, the gelling solution and the lifting serum. So I've already cleansed my face, so we're going to begin with the steps. It's got a little instructional pamphlet included and the how to use it with some pictures and the steps written out. So that's nice. It's not just pictures, it has the pictures and then it has the steps written out. It says what to expect is intense tightening and a very tight sensation within the 10 minutes of it being applied or less. And so you want to make sure you're using care when applying under the eye area. You don't want to go too close because it has pulling effects. This is the gelling solution. And this is the lifting serum. The lifting serum is going to be applied to the gelling solution. So I'm going to use this brush that came in the kit to apply it to my face, and I like this type of brush. I like the fibers. It's easy to clean. It doesn't feel rough when you're using this brush on your skin. So you have to use care when you're removing the aluminum to open up the serum so that you don't cut your finger with any of the sharp edges. And then that lifting serum in the bottle is going to be applied to the gelling solution. And then I'm going to close it up, shake it up, and then it becomes a gel. But the lifting serum has to be applied to the gelling solution in order for it to become a gelling solution. Before that, it's not actually a gel. So you can see that I've applied the lifting serum, and after I've shaken that up with the gelling solution, it's become a gel. And so I'm going to now begin the application. You can apply it to your face, neck, décolleté, and even to the back of your hands. I'm going to focus on my face, neck, and décolleté, and then I'm just going to apply a little bit to my hands. now it's all applied and we're just going to let the 30 minutes elapse. So it's been about 10 minutes and oh my god, this is very, very tight. When I tell you I'm not making my lips poke out like this, I'm not making my eyes look crazy like they're looking, but it's kind of hard to close my eyes all the way, and it's definitely not doable to close my mouth. But this is what it looks like after it's completely dried and the 10 minutes of time has elapsed, and it is really tight on my face. I thought I was going to just pass the time by working on some other things, but to be honest with you, I couldn't really concentrate. It was hard to close my eyes and close my mouth. So honestly, it is a little bit uncomfortable, so it's hard to really concentrate on doing anything else. So I'm just pretty much watching the clock so that this can be over, because it really is some intense lifting and pulling going on here. So it's been 30 minutes and you can see how my face looks here, my neck, my décolleté. It looks very creepy. I know. I was scared when I saw myself in the mirror looking this way, so I'm sure it's creeping you out right now. But now it's time to remove this from my face. You can remove it in the shower if you want. I'm just doing it at the sink right now, and instead of doing the Neutrogena splash of water all over my face, I'm going to use a disposable cloth and just use that on my face. I'm dampening that, and I'm just going to use it in circular motions to remove the product from all of the areas that it's been applied. Now I've pretty much gotten it all off. For the hands, you can just rinse your hands under the water at the sink. You don't have to use a cloth to remove it there, and that's what I did. Okay, so I have all of the product removed. My skin does feel a little bit tighter. I'm not sure what the residual effects will be over the long term. It was really uncomfortable, guys. I cannot even lie to you about that. Going through that lifting and tightening process. So this isn't something that I'm going to do on a regular basis, but my skin feels really good right now, so we'll see how the residual effects are over time. But I tried it. It was, you know, an experience. So that is all she wrote for the Hanacure all-in-one facial. So this is Elizabeth. I survived the Hanacure all-in-one facial, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Until then, have a beautifully blessed and amazing day, continuing to share the Bible that is business, inspiration, beauty, life, and enjoyment really soon.